Hi, so today I will show you how to do rear camera in F31 BMW. Okay, so first of all, this cover needs removing. There's the only 3 screws. One is here, which will be, and you will remove those has a triangle, and there's 1 screw underneath, and then 2 here. So you're gonna have to remove this cover, which is here, which I've already done. Not this one. The everything I've already removed. This thing goes here. You take it off, otherwise you'll break it like me. Even I've done it a few times. So you need to take this cover off, remove this screw, that screw, and this screw, 3, and this cover will come off. And before you do that, you're gonna have to remove this trim as well. This trim, this top one, and this just pops out. Make sure you need to, where is it, the lock. If your lid is button controlled, this pops out. You have to take this out first very slowly, because it just flies away. Yeah, and that's one thing you need to be very careful of. And then this pops away, so that's the lock one. Yeah, and then running cable has been a fun. So connection wise, you don't need to connect it to the reverse light, because it uses encoder, which is connected to the CAN bus. So as soon as you put the car in the gear, it will again communicate. It will know that on ECU gear reverse command has been initiated, so it will turn the light on or camera on. So you don't need to do it, because initially I tried it and it didn't work. You see, that's the last cable, which has 12 volts. That's a reverse one. Like when you put your car in reverse, this one gets 12 volts. So I tried it that way, did the earth, but it didn't work. So simply, very simply, so see, I connected the camera. You can see these 2 are here, and that's the main power. Yeah, so that's the other one, the one which goes into the unit. Yeah, and this one is the power, and power has 2 connections, a red and black. Yeah, that's what it is, red and black. So red, this red is this one. I've just obviously turned it around. It's the same red. This one leaves us with the black. So black, I screwed it here just to make it negative, connected to the negative. It's connected to any like body terminal. And the funny part now, running cable, all I did is remove this screw and that one. Yeah, to remove. I didn't take it off, this one, and I just used the wire, metal wire, bought it off a B&Q. Just ran it through there and took it out there. I didn't have to remove any of this lining at all. You don't need to. It runs around the wire, and then obviously taped it, and I pulled it. So it came here. Then from here, remove these 2 screws and run it through this thing. On mine, problem is I don't have this thing, this wire coming out of here. Mine comes out of roof, it goes into the window glass, and it's a funny setup. And then I have electric shocks, and then half wire runs in the shock, and then comes here. The thing is, I just had to remove this panel. It's got clips, you can just take it out and then run it here. You can see I did a little hole in this rubber, and then run it from here into here, and here took this rubber out and then pushed it here and here and here, and now it will be all covered up with the thing lid, and that's it. There's no other way to do it, because I'll show you. To open this lid, we need to close this glass. So that's how it looks like. Make sure there's a slight gap, because my wires, if you look at this, it runs from here into this, and there's no way you can run it from here into this, into the shock. See? So that's why, because on some cars this thing is on here. Initially I was thinking to make a hole in that, but that's not good. And then this lining goes into there. Then I had to pull the seat, rear seat. It's very easy, just pushed it up, pulled it, and then it just comes off. And then took this off, very easy, just pushed it out. Not pushed it out, pulled it out, and then you can see cable here. I didn't have to take any of this out, so just tucked it in over here. I can even easily just with a finger just pushed it all in, went straight to the front, and give it over there, and you can see it's in the encoder. So now you can see cable is under. I didn't have to take any of these off at all, just tucked it underneath with the finger, pushed it in, and then goes up. And I'm going to remove this thing, this panel, also I'll replace cabin filter, then run it from here. So I've measured it's enough, and it plugs in here. As you can see, my encoder, initially when I installed, you will see in my previous video, when I installed it, I just placed it here because I knew it. Instead of removing all that with the camera later on, or anything else, that's the front camera, and that wire. And this pink one, yeah, you can use pink one or red one, but yeah, same at 12 volts. This is 12 out as well, but yeah, that is what you need to use for this camera. So yeah, and this one was for the rear, and then obviously I marked it. Both are written the same thing, both are the same label, but that was for the rear one. Yeah, and it works perfect. That's when you put in the gear, it works fine. Now for the next stage, you can see that wire was there, and I bought this wire of B&Q and just twist it. It's a very big round roll, and if you twist it, it becomes slightly harder and it goes through any hole. So just push it through here, keep pushing, and it came out from there. And then see what I did, like just like turned it, pushed it through, taped it up, and then pulled it from here. Didn't need to open anything, so nothing. I didn't open any of these strings at all. No, nothing at all. It just ran through without anything. All with the help of this wire. Yeah, thank you for the wire. And yeah, that's what you can do instead of wasting your time thinking about it, how you're gonna do it. It's not difficult to do it. It's just a matter of this thing. I made another video before it for this one, and also sat nav. And this car did not have anything. This car did not have any of it, so it just was a boxed car, nothing on it. So now it has sat nav, Apple Play, Android wireless play, Bluetooth music, sat nav, and yeah, everything comes in Apple, and reverse camera, literally anything you can think of. And if you pay BM for this, then you'll end up spending about £9,000-10,000 in terms of adding these features on the factory order. Yeah, so yeah, it all costed me, I think, all about probably 200 or something, 250 to do everything. Yeah, so but yeah, its initial programming was slightly thing, but once that goes through, and the rest is very easy. So the camera didn't need any programming because of this encoder. Yeah, that's all. It's been pulled, and we'll take it out and plug into this one because I marked it. Took the sticker off just to avoid mix up, because they're only here. Took it off and put it here, so I know it's the rear one. So now it's time for the sleeve to put in and then heat it up. And I think that should be fine. Let's see. Yeah, so this one, got plenty of them. Yeah, this one works fine, so it'll be tight enough. So let's join these together. Right, so that's all joined. Just push it backwards and slide this one on top. As you can see, that's what slide it up. Time for a tiny bit of heat. Don't apply too much. You can do a tiny bit more. Yeah, that should be fine. It shouldn't be that hot. It should be slightly warmer. Yeah, that looks like now it's gonna get harder when it's cold. Yeah. Time to do a little test. No, we don't need you to on. See, it says BMW connected. It's, even though it's not MBT, but it says connected. Time to put it in reverse. There you go. That's a normal one. And that's through encoder. Yep, that's it. Jobs are good. So just push these one back. And happy it is. Oh yeah, we can use this tape for this. Yeah, we can tape this one up. We don't want this to kind of slide off, and then you're wondering why I'm not getting any view. Might go blank. Let's tape it up. Yeah, so that's taped up, that's done. And push these babies back. Let's go. Yeah, that was a very good decision when I did this one. I didn't install it. Normally people do it above it. I didn't do it above it because there was a slight space on it. To make it easier, I'll just take this off and put it in. Yeah, it's just in case you want to do it later on. That's it. Look. How'd that look? Yeah, that's it. Job's a good one. All done. Yeah, so if you have any questions, you can ask me any question. And subscribe because it doesn't cost anything. Thank you.